He said goodbye to sciatic nerve pain in 2 days thanks to this natural remedy from India. Sciatic nerve pain is extremely unpleasant and can seriously compromise the quality of life of people suffering from this problem. If you are one of those suffering from sciatic nerve pain, you know exactly what we are saying. But the good news is that this is about to end. Today you will know an efficient solution to put an end to sciatic nerve pain. Follow the instructions carefully for positive results. The sciatic nerve is the longest nerve in the human body. Its inflammation produces a very uncomfortable pain that extends from the ribs to below the knee. Resting helps alleviate the problem temporarily, but does not resolve. In addition to the pain, other symptoms may appear, for example, discomfort to sit, feel heavy legs and tingling, etc. This treatment should be done at night, before bedtime. Instructions: put about 10 liters of water in a bucket. The water should be at the highest temperature that can be supported by the feet. Then add a handful of salt and half a liter of apple cider vinegar. Shake this mixture well. Put your feet in the bucket and keep them there until the water cools. When you remove your feet, rinse them and wrap them in a dry towel and go straight to bed to sleep. Keep feet warm. Therefore, it is recommended to sleep with a towel, a sheet or blanket wrapping them to be very hot. The next day, get out of bed with slippers and do not step on the floor without them. Until it's time to shower, do not be barefoot. Do one time and probably the pain go on the first day. Repeat this procedure every 6 months or when you feel pain again.